Wrap the bucket with wire. This simple trick will make your home impress every guest. Start by taking medium-sized ornaments. Choose colors that match your interior decor. On the opposite side, make holes using a soldering iron. Then wrap the wire tightly around the bucket to give it a perfectly round shape. Carefully remove the wire from the bucket and secure the ends with tape. Repeat this with the rest of the wire. Now cut the wire in one spot. Thread the ornaments onto the wire, alternating the colors. When all the ornaments are on, tape both ends together so the wire doesn't come apart. Next, wrap a holiday garland between the ornaments to give the wreath more volume and sparkle. When you're done, attach a decorative bow. Add a hanger to the top of the wreath as well. Your holiday decoration is ready. Place the wreath on the table as an eye-catching Christmas centerpiece. You can also hang it on your door to welcome guests in festive style. This kind of wreath looks incredibly elegant and draws attention.